Hi students, welcome to our maths class. In this video, we are going to learn example 243 and the related problems. Okay, example 243 and the related problems. Example 243. In a geometric progression, the fourth term is 8 by 9 and the seventh term is 64 by 243. Find the GP. Okay, they given fourth term and seventh term, that is T4 and T7 they given. They asked to find the geometric progression. So what you have to find? General form of a geometric progression, right? AR square. Geometric progression means that's only AR square, AR cube, etc. Okay. For that you need A value and R value. They didn't give directly. They given only fourth term and seventh term. From there you have to find A value and R value and then you apply the formula. That's all. Okay. Okay. Then solution. In a geometric progression, fourth term is 8 by 9. So T4 is what is given? T4 is 8 by 9. T4 means what formula? A into R power 4 minus 1 equal to 8 by 9. Okay, you don't know the value of A and the value of R, right? Till now? Okay. So again you write A into R power 4 minus 1, 3 equal to 8 by 9. Okay. This one you give equation 1. Next what they given? Seventh term is 4 by 243. What is seventh term? T7. Okay. T7 equal to 664 divided by 243. Okay. Apply the formula. A into R power 7 minus 1 equal to 64 by 243. Okay. Now A into R power 7 minus 1, 6 equal to 64 by 243. This is equation 2 you get. Equation 2. Now listen students. Equation 1 A into R power 3 equal to 8 by 9. Equation 2 A into R power 6 equal to 64 by 243. Do you have any idea about these two equations? Do you have any idea? You need the value of A and R. Okay? Any idea? Yes. When you divide the second term, second equation and the first equation, you can cancel the A and then you will find, you can find R value. Sure, no? Yes. So, you have to divide second equation and first equation. Second equation divided by first equation. What is the second equation? A into, why I am taking second equation divided by first equation? Highest power. Okay, R power 6. Here R power 3. Okay, so I take the second equation divided by first equation. Second equation A into R power 6 equal to 64 by 243 the whole divided by A into R power 3 equal to 8 by 9. Okay. Now this A and A cancel. Okay. Now R power 6 divided by R power 3. What is the value? R power 6 divided by R power 3. R power 3. Because A power m divided by A power n is formula A power m minus n. Here r power 6 divided by r power 3 is r power 6 minus 3. So 6 minus 3, 3. R power 3 equal to, here say 64 divided by 243 into all divided by 8 by 9. So into reciprocal of 8 by 9, that is 9 by 8. Okay students, now say 180 say 8 8s are 64. Now 9 is 9, say 2 9s are 18, balance 6, right? 6. So 63, 7 9s are 63. Understood? So you will get r power 3 equal to 8 by 27. Okay, ninth table directly I took. You can take the third table and the third table also. Okay, no problem. I took ninth table directly. 1 9 is 9, 2 9s are 18, balance 6, 63, 7 9s are 63. Like that I took. You can split it 3 into 3 into or 9 into 9 into that also no matter. Okay, you can do. So, r power 3 equal to 8 by 27. R power 3 equal to, here also, already I said base same means power also same. Here r power 3 is there. Suppose if you take power 3 means base you can take equal. Okay, wait, listen. 8 you can take 2 power 3, right? 8, 2 3s are 2 4s are 8, then 2 2s are 4, 2 power 3 divided by 27. We can write 3 power 3, right? 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. So this one you can write r power 3 equal to 2 by 3 the whole power 3. Right? R power 3 equal to 2 by 3 the whole power 3. Here power same. Power here also 3 and here also 3. Power same. So the base also must be same. So R equal to 2 by 3. Okay students? Now A is, no, this R equal to 2 by 3. Now substitute R equal to 2 by 3 in any one equation. Okay, now substitute r equal to 2 by 3 in equation. Which equation you should take? Shall we take first equation? Yes, equation 1. Now you simplify here. A into A value you don't know, so A into, what's the value of r? 2 by 3. 2 by 3 the whole power 3 equal to 8 by 9. Okay, now A into 2 power 3 is 8, 3 power 3 is 27 equal to 8 by 9. Okay, so this is equal to, this is A equal to 8 by 9 into this 8 by 27, you take that side, that is into reciprocal value 27 numerator, 27 numerator and 8 denominator. 180 is 8, 180 is 8. Now listen students, A is 1 9 is 9, 3 9s are 27. So the value of A is 3. The value of A is 3. What's your question? Find the GP. Find the GP, geometric progression. What is geometric progression? A into A, comma, AR square, comma, etc. Isn't it? So the general geometric progression is, how you write? A, comma, AR square, comma, AR cube, comma, etc. Shall we apply the values here? A, the value of A is 3, comma, 3 into the value of r is 2 by 3. 2 by 3 comma a value is 3. 3 into 2 by 3 the whole square comma etc. etc. So this is equal to 3 and 3 cancel. 3 comma 2 comma here 3 comma 2 square by 3 square. 2 square means 4. 3 square 9. Here into. Okay, now say this is equal to 3 comma 2 comma 1 3 is 3. 3 3s are 9. So 4 by 3. 4 by 3 etc. etc. Do you understand, students? General geometric progression. What's the formula you should apply here? A comma ar comma ar square comma ar cube. The value of a is 3 and the value of r is 2 by 3. You apply in that formula, you will get the answer 3 comma 2 comma 4 by 3 comma so on. Do you understand? Clear now? The fourth term and the seventh term they given. They didn't give directly. Okay, directly if they give means first question we did. Directly we apply the values and find the geometric progression, right? But here they didn't give directly. They give fourth term and seventh term. From the two terms you have to find the value of a and r. Here when you divide these two terms only you can cancel a and get the value of r. Mind it, okay? In arithmetic progression we will subtract, okay? But here geometric progression you must divide the two equation, you will get r value. Please students, mind it, don't forget, you have to divide this second equation and the first equation, then you will get the value of r. Okay, r 8 is cube number, 2 cube, 27 also 3 cube, so r cube is 2 cube by 3 cube, that is 2 by 3 the whole cube. Power same, so base also same. So only we are taking r equal to 2 by 3. Clear? Next, apply the substitute r equal to 2 by 3 in equation 1. So r in a into r value 2 by 3 the whole power 3 equal to 8 by 9. Okay, now we listen students. 2 cube is 8. 3 cube is 27 equal to 8 by 9. So a equal to 8 by 9 into reciprocal of this one. 27 divided by 8. 8 and 8 cancel. 1 9 is 9. 3 9s are 27. So a equal to 3. General geometric progression is a comma ar cube comma ar square comma ar cube comma etc. Okay. So a value 3 into r value 2 by 3 comma 3 into 2 by 3 the whole square comma etc. Do you understand students? 3 comma 3 and 3 cancel, you will get only 2. 3 into 2 square means 4. 3 square means 9. Okay. Here we cancel means you will get 3 comma 2 comma 4 by 3 comma etc. It's enough to 3 terms. Then 2 more terms if you find means also no problem. Okay, 3 terms means also no problem, etc. apply etc. Okay, now exercise 2.7 sixth question. Listen students, in a geometric progression the ninth term is 32,805 and the sixth term is 1,215. Find the 12th term. Okay, previous question they given nth term, sixth term and the fourth term. They asked to find the geometric progression, right? Here they given ninth term and the sixth term. They asked to find the 12th term. Okay, 12th term means first itself you have to remember the formula. Which formula you should apply here? Tn equal to a into r power n minus 1. That is the final formula. Okay, for that we need a value, the value of a and the value of r, right? But here they didn't give directly the value of a and r. They given only the 9th term and the 6th term. From there we have to find the value of a and r. Clear, students? Okay. Now what they given? Given 9th term. So T9 equal to 32,805 they given. Okay. T9 equal to 32,805. What's the formula for Tn? Tn equal to a into r power n minus 1. So T9 is what? Which formula? Apply that formula. A into r power 9 minus 1 equal to 32,805. So a into r power 8 equal to 32,805. Clear? This is equation 1. Okay, students. Hereafter we can't simplify. So you take equation 1. Okay. Then next, what is given? 6th term is 1215. That you write. T6 equal to 1215. They given. From there you give the values a into r power. What's the value of n here? 6. So 6 minus 1 equal to 1215. Okay. Now a into r power 6 minus 1, 5 equal to 1215. Hereafter any simplification? No. So this is equation 2. Now listen, students, compare first equation and second equation. Which one is the highest power of r? That one divided by next one. Clear? So here compare these two. Here r power 8, here r power 5. So we have to take equation 1 divided by equation 2. Clear? Equation 1 divided by equation 2 implies, yes, equation 1, what's the equation 1? A into r power 8 divided by, okay, a into r power 8 equal to 32,805 divided by a into r power, equation 2, 5 equal to 1215. Understood? Equation 1 divided by equation 2. A into r power 8 divided by a into r power 5 equal to 32,805 divided by 1215. Dear students, already I said somewhat big number means it is in the, if you factorize like this, then you write. That is very easy to calculate. Okay. Here also shall we do 32,805. Factorize it 5. So here you write 5. It is divisible by 5. 6 5s are 30. Balance 2. 28. 5 5s are 25. Balance 3. 30. 6 5s are 31. Okay. Next you say, is it divisible by 3? It won't divisible by 5, right? Is it divisible by 3? How you will check? You have to add the digits, right? 6 plus 5, 11. 11 plus 5, 17. 17 plus 1, 18. 18 is divisible by 3. So here you can take 3. Okay. Now you divide. 2 3s are 6. 1 3 is 3. Balance 2. 26. 8 3s are 24. Balance 1. Balance 2. 21. 7 3s are 21. Okay. Again you check. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 8, 11. 11 plus 7, 18. 18 is divisible by 3. So here you take 3. Okay. Now 7 3s are 21. 2 3s are 8. Balance 2. 27. 9 3s are 27. Okay. Again you do this one. 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 9, 18. Is divisible by 3. 3. 2 3s are 6. Balance 1. 12. 4 3s are 12. 3 3s are 9. Again. 2 plus 4, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. 9 is divisible by 3. 8 3s are 24. 1. 3. 27. 3. 9. 9 3s are 27. 3. 3 3s are 9. Okay. Now this 32,805, how I can write 5 into 3 power, how much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3 power 8 divided by. Next 1215. 1215 divide it the same way, divide. Factorize it. 1215. Last number 5. So it is divisible by 5. 2 5s are 10. Balance 2. 20. 21. So 4 5s are 20. Balance 1. 15. 3 5s are 15. Okay. Now 2 plus 4, 3. Sorry. 2 plus 4, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. So if this number is divisible by 3. So 3. 8 3s are 24. 1 3 is 3. This number is divisible by 3. 2 3s are 6. Balance 2. 21. 7 3s are 21. Then again 3. 9 3s are 27. Again 3. 3 3s are 9. So this 1215, how I can write? 5 into 3 power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 power 5. Okay. Here, left hand side. A and A cancel. R power 8 divided by R power 5. Okay. So, again write how it will come. R power 8 minus 5. Right? A power m divided by A power n equal to A power m minus n. The same, that formula. Okay. So, here also R power 8 divided by R power 5 is R power 8 minus R power 5, that is R power 3. Okay. Otherwise, one more step you write. 8 minus 5. Okay. Here 5 and 5 cancel. How we will write? R power 8 minus 5, 3. R power 3 equal to 5 cancel. Here you see the same way, say 3 power 8 divided by 3 power 5. What's the value? 3 power 8 minus 5. So R power 3 equal to 3 power 3. See here, power same. Power same means base also same. We can consider, isn't it? So R power 3 equal to 3 power 3. Therefore R equal to 3. The value of R equal to 3. Now you know the value of R, but until now you don't know the value of A, isn't it? But you can find. So this R value, you substitute any one equation. Substitute R equal to 3 in, select the equation. Listen, second equation is A into R power 5. First equation is A into R power 8. This number also somewhat big, right? So I select this equation. A into R power 5 equal to 1215. equation 2. Equation 2. Substitute here. Take this equation a into r power 5. What's the value of r? 3. 3 power 5 equal to 1215. Okay. Now listen students. A into 3 power 5 equal to 1215. How you will write? 5 into 3 power 5. Can write or not? Can write, right? So 5 into 3 power 5. So A equal to 5 into 3 power 5 divided by 3 power 5. This 3 power 5 can cancel. So your value A equal to 5. Do you understand? Now we got the value A equal to 5 and R equal to 3. What's our question? Find the 12th term. Find the 12th term. Which formula you should apply? You should apply Tn equal to A into R power n minus 1. Now you need T12, 12th term. They asked to find the 12th term. So T12 equal to, apply the values. What's the value of A? 5. 5 into, what's the value of R? 3 into, what's the value of n? 12 minus 1. So this is equal to 5 into 3 power 11. Dear students, listen. 3 power 11. 11 times you should write 3 and calculate. It is so difficult. So till now it's enough. T12 equal to 5 into 3 power 11. This is your book back answer. So it's enough. 5 into 3 power 11. So 3 power 3, 11 times you should write 3 and calculate. More time will take. Okay, so no need. T12 equal to 5 into 3 power 11. Okay, do you understand students? The same method, same 6th term and 9th term they given. You apply the formula T9 equal to 32,805. T9 means A into R power 9 minus 1. A into R power 8. So 32,805. This is equation 1. Next they said T6 equal to 1250. You got A into R power 5 equal to 1215. Equation 2. Okay. Then you divide first equation and second equation. You will get R power 8 divided by R power 5 equal to 32,805 divided by 1215. Here A power 8 divided by R power 8 divided by R power 5 equal to R power 8 minus 5. Okay. Here you factorize like this and write, it is easy. I feel so. Okay. So you do like that. 5 into 3 power 8 divided by, if you factorize this one, you got 5 into 3 power 5. 5 and 5 you will cancel. So R power 3 equal to 3 power 8 minus 5. 8 minus 5. So R power 3 equal to 3 power 3. Power same. So base also same. R equal to 3. Substitute R equal to 3 in equation 2 because till now you don't know the value of A. You have to find the value of A. For that you have to substitute R value in equation 2 because 2 only simple equation. So there I substitute A into 3 power 5 equal to 1215. Again I applied this values only. 5 into 3 power 5. 3 power 5, 3 power 5 here itself you can cancel. Okay, 3 power 5, 3 power 5 you can cancel. So A equal to 5. Okay, A equal to 5. So now you got A value and R value. Then you can apply T12. Tn formula Tn equal to a into r power n minus 1. T12 equal to a value. The value of a is 5 into the value of r is 3. 12 minus 1. So T12 equal to 5 into 3 power 11. Okay. 3 power 11, if you calculate means you will take more time. So it's enough to write 5 into 3 power 11. Clear, students? Understood? Thank you.